Hi guys, welcome back. And my name's Tyquise, and today we're going to be talking about this great hair vitamin that I've got my hands on and I've been using and I've been liking. And yeah, so it's quite a few that I'm taking right now. Like I've taken like the what is it, the sugar bear. Yeah, I got plenty of those. And I picked up these from Orta. I picked up these. All right, now, I didn't know this was a hair vitamin at first. I thought it was like some kind of, a cream or something because of what is in. I thought this was literally like a strawberry cream because I ain't never seen no hair vitamin. I ain't never seen no vitamin in no conditioning jar. But Miss Donna, Miss TABITHA Brown, child, did it. Something I ain't never seen, never thought I would see. Because it ain't, I'm trying to see what senses did we have when we decided to do it this way. But it's cool. But anyway, so this vitamin here is called Donna's Recipe by TABITHA Brown. And this is the Biotin 10,000 milligram hair vitamin gummies. And look, it's strawberry. And when you look at it, I like these. All right, let me tell you. So, girl, I was on this routine. Look, I'm not trying to have y'all all day, but I'm gonna tell y'all. I'm on this routine where I'm taking these hair vitamins or whatever to see what happens, to my hair. That's what we're doing on this channel. So I've been using Sugar Bear. I realized that Sugar Bear makes the hair strong, and girl, let me tell you, Sugar Bear put some lint on there too. I'm just saying. I've noticed some changes, but it's also, I'm using clove oil, I'm using onion oil. Okay, I'm using #1 ingredients right now in the hair growth industry. So anyway, Halisha ate one of these, which is my best friend. So I decided to go ahead and start on these, all right, because it was already open. So I could give you guys my honest opinion on this. She said it was too sweet. She just had one. So I decided I was going to take probably one in the morning and one at night, maybe, to finish it up. But however, these are one of the best ones I've ever had for its taste, mainly because it doesn't leave an aftertaste in my mouth. And I don't like the aftertaste that the Sugar Bear vitamins give me, even though they're vegan, but these are vegan too, and it's 60 vegan strawberry pies come up in here. Oh, and this is the way it looks. Girl, let me tell you, get into the strawberry pie, girl. Get into the strawberry pie. Look, girl. When I tell you they melt in your mouth, they ain't. Okay. That's some sweet strawberry pie. Okay. It's sweet, girl. Girl. Just that little pie, sweet. How you get all that taste in a little pie. But anyway, I like them. I've been using them. And I'm just excited to see what happens. So, y'all just bear with me until I finish this jar. Tell Donna, tell TABITHA I'm over here trying her stuff out. Seeing what's going to happen. And I'm going to tell folks, is it going to work or not? I'm going to tell folks. Now, I'll see y'all later, though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.
So where were we? Oh, yes. You were holding your breath.